project today. Mining gravel out of gravel bars for roads, leaving catch ponds behind in the arroyo. So I'd say the 3 steps to fixing up these ranch roads, farm roads, or maybe a driveway on your homestead would be: first, stop the bleeding. Make water bars. Prevent erosion. Then you can carve out the ruts and maybe add gravel, make a nice surface. Here's how bad these ruts can get out here. This one's about 3 feet deep, cut all the way down to the limestone bedrock. A water bar would really help this out. That would be a good spot right there. If I was able to cut a water bar right here, it would turn water off the road, stop erosion, and the silt behind would fill the ruts in. This one's getting pretty bad. Maybe I'll be able to fix it someday. Here's a no water bar I'm gonna clean out. I'm gonna put one above it. I think I'll put a water bar cut right where the water drains through here. To make a water bar, cut a trench diagonal to the road and on the downhill side. Pile the dirt into a berm on the road and behind the trench. Here, I scrape down the berm, widen it, pack it with the wheels, and smooth it out. Here's a view looking downhill, showing the road, berm, and trench. Step number 2, get rid of the ruts. See the 2 tire ruts on each side? Smooth that out if you can. Here's a spot where we're starting to get some tire ruts. It's not bad, but I'll smooth them out. To smooth out these tire ruts, I put my bucket just past level and scrape down the center berm. Dump the dirt and back drag it smooth. Here's some ruts. It's starting to get pretty deep. Smooth it out. Ready for gravel. And then step number 3, cover the road with gravel. Make an all-weather surface. Gravel time. Hey, careful there. Four buckets will fill the dump truck. Open the tailgate About 5 more loads, then we'll bring the loader up here and smooth it out. Smooth. I've got a road to the well all fixed up. It's taken me a couple fall seasons to do, but now the road has water bars, all the ruts have been carved out, and it's all filled in with gravel. Let's go check it out. Here's a nice big water bar. In a big rain, when water runs down this road, it gives it a place to get off. Stops erosion. This is one of the worst spots on this road. These ruts got really deep. I put many loads of gravel in here, and I could still put more. The ruts on this hill did get so deep, snowdrifts would pack this in. Really hard to drive up to the well. But this is a major improvement. The water bars prevent further erosion. We've got all the deep ruts carved out, and the gravel makes a nice all-weather surface. No mud, no dust. On the ranch, I have access to some pretty large equipment for fixing these roads. The road up to the well is about 2 miles. You need that large equipment for ranch-sized projects like this, but everything's scalable. A small driveway on a homestead or a country property could easily be fixed up with a small tractor. The skid loader would work really well. You wouldn't need a dump truck. I finished this road earlier this year. This is the road to our second well. The rains had a chance to wash the gravel. Let's check it out. Look at how nice this gravel is that comes out of the arroyo. Good, chunky gravel. It'll last a good long time. Now that's real nice. Thanks for your help today fixing ranch roads. Your check's in the mail. And I'll see you next time at the Windmill Garden. Are you interested in another ranch project? Check out what I do in the arroyo after I dig out a gravel bar. Click on this video link right here.